So I did the unthinkable. I picked up the Xreal Air 2 Ultras from Xreal.com. And to be honest, I was very, very excited to get these. I've been talking about them for a good amount of time because they are the best of the best when it comes to the Xreal glasses until we get the One Pro, which comes out later this month. Beside the point. This is it compared to the Viture Pros. This is the top Viture product currently available. And this is the current top available product for your Meta Ray-Bans glasses, which link down below in the description if you'd like to go ahead and help out the channel and you want to pick one up, go ahead and check it out. So the Xreal glasses go best when you add them with the Xreal Beam, which is the device you see in front of me right here. And compared obviously to the Apple Vision Pro. Yes, I did pick up an Apple Vision Pro and the Meta Quest 3. It's a lot more sleeker, okay? It's a lot more sleeker. It's a lot more convenient, a lot more cool. I'm doing this with one hand right now. But I do got a problem. It does have a titanium frame, which is awesome. It has two cameras on either side, just kind of like the Meta Quest does. But hand tracking doesn't work. So, if you know anything about the Ultras are pretty much made for developers. It's like a developer product, right? But I was still hoping I could figure out a way to get hand tracking to work on these. And it would be like the ultimate, you know, Xreal glasses. But apparently there is no hand tracking. You can get the 3 little cardboard pieces that they show off at different events when it comes to the Ultra glasses. But other than that, you're not going to be able to get hand tracking to work, which was very disappointing. Now, it does have 6 degrees of freedom. When you are using it with the Xreal Beam, you can get 6 degrees of freedom, and it's really awesome. It's just, I don't know. I was kind of hoping it would actually have hand tracking. I looked up online and apparently there was hand tracking at one point, but then they got rid of it with one of their updates. So it's now just like, it's like the Ultra is like the regular Xreal Air 2 glasses, but you add in a titanium frame, more money, and yeah. That's pretty much it. Which, again, for what it is, it feels premium. It feels good. I like it, personally. It pairs very well with the Xreal Beam, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I was kind of disappointed that it did not have hand tracking, okay? That was kind of the big thing. It says STK support, 2-hand tracking / head tracking. I couldn't get that to work. Maybe you guys can tell me down below if I'm stupid and how to get that to work, but I couldn't get that to work. And yeah, so I just wanted to make a quick video here talking about it because it is a cool pair of glasses, don't get me wrong, but that little bit kind of irked me, man. Kind of irked me a little bit, but I'll see you guys in the next one though. Peace.